Okay, so this is Perchance.org, an AI text to image generator. I'm actually busy using it, so I thought why not share what I'm doing. I'm quite impressed with it, so maybe you'd like to use it too. It's free, it's unlimited. Yeah, awesome. I'm busy. Well, let's just generate right now so that it's not just a boring screen while you're still listening to me speak and speak and speak. It doesn't take too long. Yeah, we have two images coming up that go with my text. My text is, it's a little known fact that cats have the answer to the meaning of life, but only after 3 cups of coffee. I've taken those from the Oracle of Absurdity consultant, which is free to use. Oh, okay, that's interesting. I have used this before, but I have not actually used the no style, art style over here. And now that I have, I see it's actually sharing the words as well. Yeah, a bit of mistakes in those words, so I'd actually rather not have words come up. But I normally use some of the other styles, and I'm going to do that now. I'm not going to save any of these. I'm actually looking to save 10. This is just for future use, although I will choose one that I'm going to be putting into a video to upload to YouTube with 9 others, 10 different phrases and all that. But anyway, so you can choose to display 2 at a time, or 4, 6, 8, 16, 32. They're nice and big at 2, and I'm happy to use a different style every now and again, possibly even every 2. So I'm sticking with 2, and they're nice and big for showing you. But in the past, I have been quite impressed with the concept art. So let's go with that one. The same saying, it's a little known fact that cats have the answer to the meaning of life, but only after 3 cups of coffee, gotten from the Oracle of Absurdity on our beachy.coza website. Let's go. Generate concept art. Doesn't take too long. That one says waiting. This one says processing. I prefer that without the words. And you just have a look and you see, is there anything you're not happy with? Then you would just generate again. Although most times I'm fairly happy. On this one, I can't see what's going on down here, which is a bit weird. I quite like this one. I think it suits the saying. It's a little known fact that cats have the answer to the meaning of life, but only after 3 cups of coffee. There is only one coffee, but there's a whole bunch of coffee beans, and I can use the picture for something else, not necessarily to go with these words. It's a nice orange cat and cup of coffee image, so I am going to save that. Save image as, and I'm going to save that. I don't know if you can see this right now. It's on my desktop, but I'm going to just save that quickly. That will be 91. Save. And we're back here to try another style. Let's go with cinematic. Generate. I have used cinematic before, and I've been quite happy with the results from that as well. A little bit plain on the right. Oh, I like this one on the left. Anything wrong? Does it look like he's got extra legs or anything? Yeah, I'm not so sure about that area there, so I'm going to go again. And this time, I quite like that one, although I don't see coffee. Ooh, this one on the right is pretty cool.